If you have curly hair, you already know that caring for those curls can be a bit of a handful. Unlike straight and wavy hair types, curly hair often comes with its own unique set of challenges like breakage, frizz, and dryness. The holy grail solution for managing curly hair is hairsprays. But before knowing more about hairsprays for curly hair, let's have a short look at how hairsprays came into being. From where it started, hairspray has a long history back to the 1950s. That's when people realized the aerosol spray dispensers used for pesticides in World War II can also be reused as hairspray can. Pretty shocking, right? But back in the 1960s, hairspray became the highest-selling beauty product, outselling even lipstick. Coming back to the present day, hairsprays have gone through a tremendous change when people realize that they want something more environmentally friendly and versatile. Today, we just don't want something that leaves sticky residue and makes hair crunchy and stiff. We want a hairspray that would not only just protect our hair from humidity but also provide flexible hold and yet give a shiny, natural, and manageable look. Coming back to curly hairsprays, there's a specific way to give your hair the perfect curl. If you're a beginner and unfamiliar with how to use a hairspray in the perfect way for curly hair, then keep watching the video to get those perfect curls. Tips and tricks for using hairspray on curly hair. There are several products and procedures to keep those curls looking gorgeous throughout the week, even if it's not your hair wash day. Let's check out these procedures. Clean your hair. Cleaning your hair is the first and the most important step for hairstyling. You should use a good dedicated curly hair shampoo and conditioner to deeply cleanse and nourish your hair. Now, if it's not your hair wash day, spray water on your hair and dampen your curls. Apply hair mousse. Using your hand, you should apply hair mousse to your hair to give those curls extra hold. After applying hair mousse, scrunch those curls to get a softer look. Now, if you want to know which hair mousse is best for your curly hair, we already have a video on that. The link is given in the description box below. Blow dry hair using diffuser. Use a diffuser and blow dry your hair. Using a diffuser gives those curls extra volume and softer yet polished look. Use a diffuser until the hair is properly dry and keep scrunching. Scrunching is all about giving your hair some beautiful soft curls. Use hairspray on dry hair. It's best not to use hairspray on damp hair. Even though some products recommend wet hair, using hairspray on wet hair doesn't always live up to expectations, so it's better to be careful. Keep your distance. Hold the nozzle of the dispenser 12 to 15 centimeters away from your curls to get an even layer and just enough hold. If you hold the nozzle too far or near strands, the product won't be sprayed evenly and will harden your hair in one place too much. Spray evenly. If you spray one area too long, you'll get an uneven application. That can lead you back to start. Try to cover the all-over head evenly. Now for your best curly hair experience, we have picked the 5 best hairsprays for curly hair that'll leave you with a soft and shiny experience.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
L'Oreal Paris Elnett Satin Extra Strong Hold is a humidity-resistant hairspray. It keeps the natural shine of curls and delivers some serious hold to the curls. Despite the strong hold, its micro-diffusion technology allows you to brush out the spray and restyle the hair. This long-lasting formula locks your curls without leaving your hair hard, crunchy, stiff, or flaky. If you don't like the hairspray odor, there's a new packaging that comes in an odorless formula too. All in all, this magical hairspray is perfectly suitable for your needs and you'll be good to rock that party. Next, we have Pantene Airspray Flexible Hold Hairspray, one of the best rated alcohol-free hairsprays for curly hair. This amazing airspray provides an ultra-lightweight hold for any curly style you want to rock. This alcohol-free level 2 hold provides strong styling results while ensuring moisturization and silky soft hair outcomes. It will enable you to achieve a controlled finish with body and bounce that you wish for. The Moroccanoil Luminous Hairspray Strong is designed to heal your hair while giving it extra shine and a healthy feel. It provides a protective barrier against humidity, defrizzing those curls. This luminous spray contains argan oil packed with many natural antioxidants and moisturizing vitamin E to give your hair a healthy sheen from root to tip. Moreover, this lightweight hairspray tames your flyaways and yet leaves no flakes or sticky residue. Plus, it acts as a firm hold finishing tool to define your curls. While many high-hold hairsprays can be crunchy and stiff, Schwarzkopf Got to Be High Insta-Hold Hairspray gives your curls extra shine. Moreover, it keeps your style in place for up to 24 hours so you can confidently go about your day. This fast-drying formula is color-safe and keeps your hair moisturized. Plus, it's lightweight and leaves no residue or stickiness. Also, this product is loved and recommended by users through their reviews. Truly an overachiever, Frieda Frizz Ease Dream Curl Spray works to spray life back to curls and hold them all day long. Being enriched in magnesium, the formula penetrates the hair fibers and restores the natural curl development. With this alcohol-free hairspray, Frieda moisturizes, conditions, and keeps the curls bouncy, touchable, and comfortable. Also, there is moisturizing glycerin, which adds hydration. Plus, the abyssinica seed oil, which is rich in omega-6 fatty acid, conditions and supports a healthy scalp. All over, this salon caliber quality hairspray comes with heat protection that is suitable for all frizz levels, including color and chemically treated hair. With that, we come to the end of our video. We hope that these tips and tricks and product recommendations will help you to get the best curly hair experience and keep you coming back to our channel. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.